Hi everyone, it's Deborah. Welcome back. Today I'm showing you the doilies that I picked up on my recent travels. I was asked by one of the viewers to show you, so here they are. I got some really lovely ones. I must say I'm very happy with them. Starting with this little cutie, which is all hand done. I can tell from the stitching that's been done by somebody. And I got a number of these. You'll see these pop up, just the linen with the Battenberg around the edges, but also some oval ones, which you don't always see oval ones. And again, this one has been handmade, I think, although it may be mass produced, but it's a nice linen. I like it a lot. Then I got these ones. I think these are a poly. I don't think they're definitely not a linen. They may be a cotton. They might have a bit of polyester in them, but they've got a cute little flower on them. I did get quite a few, I think 4 of these ones. 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure there's another one further on down that we'll come across. And then this big cream one with the Battenberg around the edge. And another one of those little ones. And this sweet thing, this is a hanky, but it's got this lovely little girl down in the corner. It's very cute. Then a large oval one. And another one with the Battenberg around the edge. And then these, I may have got, no, I don't think so. I thought I had a couple of these, but I don't. So this is very minimal. You've just got the little bit of stitching on the side. It is a little bit broken as well, but I like the lace running around the edge of it. And then we've got a square one. In fact, we've got a couple of these with just the little flowers, very neutral. I may put some of these into my green doily quilt, I think. The one I'm doing with all of the green, which I have to get back to very soon. And here's another large oval one. And this one, which has got lots of lace on the outside, and it's also quite big. So you can see all the lace. It is pulling apart a little bit, but I like the linen on the inside too. It's really pretty, really soft and fine. Maybe a lawn, not a linen. And another Battenberg. I went to quite a number of charity shops along my travels, and I picked up, as you can see, quite a few. I really like this one. A bit unusual. I haven't seen many like that. Here's a big one, big round one. And this, which has got a really nice edge on it, little flowers on the edge. I've got a couple of these, I think. I remember ironing a couple of these. I've washed all of these and given them a press. That's a pretty normal one that you get, but it's quite nice anyway. It's not wool, it's cotton. So I like that one. I think we've had one of these ovally ones before. I know that's actually a square one with an oval in the centre. Oh, here's another one of those with the nice edging on it. And I also like these ones, how they've got the white, but then they've got this bone cross in here. Very different. And another one of these with the flower. And this one, I don't often pick up many of this sort. I pick them up if I like them, especially if they're cotton, which this one is. But I do have quite a few of the woolly, the heavier ones made from wool. But this one's actually made from crochet cotton. So I like the feel of those. It's a bit like tatting. Same with this one. And if they look a bit different, so I quite like that because I haven't seen many that have all of those little loops like that in my travels. And this one, so I'm not sure if I like the edge of that, but I like the center part. And I always pick these ones up when I see them because I like them. Ah, here's some. It's actually got some colour on it. It's very pale, very pink and green, but really pretty anyway. And I think this is another with the flower, yes. And I have got another one of those. I don't know if I got 3 or 4 of those, but they all came from the same shop. And I don't remember where. Somewhere on my travels through Victoria and New South Wales and Queensland, I picked these up. That's a fairly plain one. Again, a nice piece of fabric with a very plain decoration in the corner. This one is the brightest one I got. Actually, it's not. I've got another one that's coming up that's even brighter. It's got a palm tree. It's very cute. It's got some bongo drums. A bit different and a bit different in shape too. It's like a heart shape almost. And here's a big one with the white work or the white stitching on it. And then we have another one of those sort of square ones that we had before. And then a round one. And there's one that's also got pink and green on it. So I quite like that one too. And then another one, this one's a little square Battenberg. You usually see round ones like this, but not so much the square. So I like that one. Oh, here's another one. It's the same as the other one I showed you with the bongo drums. Yes, only this one, the bongo drums are on this side, so it's the mirror image, this one. I bet there was one in the center. I don't think I got that, but I bet you that this was a set of 3. And look at this gorgeous thing. This is actually a teapot cozy. That's the back, but look at the front. How cute is that? A little house with some trees and a path. That is just beautiful. I've got an idea for using that. I've got a number of this sort of doilies that I've picked up recently, and I have an idea for using them that I'll be sharing with you hopefully soon, hopefully before Christmas. This is just a large one, but again, I like the way that it's been made. That's a bit different. And another square one with the Battenberg, that's the same. And this one, which is quite big, and it's probably not my favorite, but I picked it up anyway because, I mean, these were so cheap compared to what we get them here in Queensland, in Brisbane anyway. Some of these charity shops, these ones I bought were all really, really good value. And I actually went to one of the shops on International Op Shop or International Thrift Store Day, and I got 30% off everything. In fact, I got 50% off the doilies on that day. And here's a big one. And then I've got another, oh, that's a little one. And this one, which is the same as the other one I showed you. And then I've got a Battenberg, which has got a bit of stuff on it in the cream. And then last but not least, this. Look at this, JMB. They're not my initials. I kind of wish they were. It's so lovely. Look at the edge of it. And it's some sort of, I think it's a lingerie bag. That's what I would guess that it would be. I don't know what you guys think, but let me know, because it's got this big pocket on it and it is just beautiful. And the back is just plain, but it's really lovely and it's in really good condition too. I love all of the embroidery around the edges, and I love the initials here. So I'm not going to cut this one up. I do cut my doilies up a fair bit, but this one I won't be cutting up. I'll have to find a use for it and for the big pocket, because I just think it's really lovely. I mean, it would almost make a really nice bag, wouldn't it? If I could line it and put some handles on it, make a really nice bag. I could almost fit my computer. In fact, I think my computer would fit easily inside of this. So shoot me your ideas. Let me know what you think this is for and what could I use it for now without cutting it up, of course. I don't want to destroy it. So that's it. That's my heap of doilies that I got, which you can see is a fair few that I collected over the 3 weeks we were away. Somebody said I have a very patient husband, and I have to agree. He's very, very patient with me. He doesn't mind. He'll sit and wait, or he'll go and do something. He'll even help me hunt. So he's a very good husband for me, because I like to stop at all of the charity shops and all of the fabric and quilting shops along the road. So I'm very lucky. But that is my haul. Thanks very much for watching. I will catch you next time. This is Deborah. Cheers.